LSR Consulting is where the possibilities are truly limitless. This is the premier division of Frameworks, and welcome to How We Did It, an inside look on what really occurs in our 20,000 square foot facility. This episode tells us the story of creating custom frames and custom menu chalkboards for a coffee shop. Our experience printing chalkboards is actually pretty high, having worked for a cruise line before and printing oversized chalkboards for them. We have expert experience printing custom menu boards, but adding chalkboard bases is both creative and exciting. These chalkboards were different in both size, design, and frame. Our lead fabricator, Mario, can tell us more about it.
So this project was a special project where we were making some art frames. In this process, we decided to manufacture these using our CNC machine to cut all the parts out of plywood, where we would then edge band and finish with gold paint. Another interesting thing about this, when a project like this kind of comes through special projects, it gets a little bit of extra attention and polish to it. So I decided on the backs of these to manufacture a whole other plywood part that would hold all the hanging hardware and kind of gives it a nice clean finish on the backside, even though it's something that not a lot of people are ever going to see. It's something as special projects I take a lot of pride in making sure it looks good all the way around.
Our stock of skills and equipment enables us to continue fabricating a limitless number of opportunities for our clients. Our slogan stays true. The possibilities are truly limitless. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode. Goodbye.